AI Discord bots in 2025 are expensive. Every single good feature locked behind a paywall. So I was thinking, why don't I just create my own Discord bot? I mean, it can't be that hard, right? So before we actually do any building, we need to come up with a plan. So I walked around outside for a bit and came up with 3 main questions to solve. Firstly, what language and what framework should we use to build the bot? So I was thinking more of using JavaScript because it had a huge Discord.js library. But you know what? Every single bot nowadays is either built with Discord.js or Discord.py. So I thought I'd go with the language and framework that had the cutest mascot ever, Golang with Discord Go. Secondly, what should the bot do? So I was thinking of a AI roleplay bot, something like Character AI or Talkie AI. And lastly, what should we name the bot? So since it's a roleplay bot, I was thinking of like Friend AI or AI Friend Pro. Trust me, I've thought of worse, but in the end, I came up with ChordFriend AI because it's the least cringy one I had. So now that we have the recipe for the bot, let's just go build the bot. Before we build the bot, we need a website for users to create and manage their bots. So after a month's worth of hard work, I came up with this clean Material You themed dashboard built with Vue.js. And for those of you nerds out there, I use Vue.js for the front end, Express and Node for the back end, and MongoDB Atlas for the database. You might be wondering, why did I use Mongo? It's because I can't deal with SQL code. Now it's time to get started on the actual bot. And fun fact about me, I don't know what I'm doing because I don't know a single thing about Golang. So I basically spent the first day Googling how to create functions in Go, how to assign pointers, and so on. Yeah, you get it, I was completely stuck. And I attempted to resist myself from going to ChatGPT to ask a question, but I successfully failed. Anyways, at the end of the day, I managed to get basic functionality like calling to Google servers to get the API key, fetching a bot's persona from MongoDB, and it could return a response. So let's just say the first day was successful. On the second day, I actually started to get the hang of Golang. Go was actually pretty enjoyable to work with because I, first of all, love starting functions with func, and secondly, the VS Code extension is amazing, removes any unnecessary imports, helped me fix some syntax errors and stuff. Documentation is good too, and at the end of the day, I also managed to get the loading of profile pictures as well as the loading of the name. Although I spent like 2 hours doing the profile picture, and I found out it was actually just all a waste because you couldn't change the profile picture for each server. So the moment you change the profile picture, it changes it for all servers. So yeah, that went to waste. On days 3 and 4, I worked on the final touches of the bot, such as loading the conversation history, storing the conversation history, which I had to deal with structs, and it was actually quite an interesting thing because it's like objects, but you define what's in that object. So yeah, those are Go structs. I had to Google there for a bit, but I also made the about page for the bot, and trust me, it's much harder than you think it is because I spent like 5 hours coming up with a good about page. All of them kind of suck. The current one also kind of suck, but if you guys want to contribute to the about page, the GitHub is linked down in the description below. And yeah, that's about it. The bot was finally done. Let's load the name. There you go. The name is updated successfully, and now we can just start pinging the guy. So we can just say, "Hi, what's up?" Oops, I spelled what's wrong. Oh, I have a Pixel 8a, so this should take some time to respond. Oh, it's actually not. It's actually quite fast. Yeah. I like the AI stuff. Alright, so let's test whether it can store the bot's conversation history. So let's just reply to Jack's comment and say, do you remember what we were talking about? I mean, it won't really have time context, but it because I'm not storing the timestamps, I'm just storing the user and bot interactions. Okay, there. Yep, about my Pixel 8a and stuff. So as you can see, it loads the name correctly, loads the bot's persona correctly, and stores our history. So yeah, that's just a quick demo of this. Yeah, so that's about it for today's video. It's completely free, no hidden costs, no subscriptions. You can try it yourself. Link down in the description below, or scan this QR code right here. And I just want to thank all of you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. We already hit 250, so thank you guys. And yeah, I'll just see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.